Today, we're showing you the world's first VGS4-0 NAG2 data transfer software by DiagCode and exactly how it works. We have an original VGS4-0 NAG2 module, and then we have a donor module from a completely different vehicle. Our goal is to transfer the FBS4 data from the original to the donor module. First, we connect to the original module and read the information. We can immediately see that the module is active, along with its VIN, EHS, variant coding, application software number, hardware number. Next, we read all the data from the original module, so it can be automatically stored in a dedicated folder under the vehicle's VIN number. Our software automatically creates this folder with two essential files. The first contains the EEPROM data, and the second contains the FBS4 data. When we open the folder, we can clearly see the extracted files, the EEPROM and the FBS4 data file. This is the information file we've successfully read, and we keep it ready for the next steps. At this point, we no longer need the original module, so we disconnect it and connect the donor module instead. Once we click on Info, we can instantly see that the donor module is active, but its data is completely different because it is from another car. The VIN is different. The variant coding is different. The software version is different. Because this is an active donor module, we first need to make Renew. To do that, we click on Renew. Now the donor module is reset and ready for programming. We begin programming by confirming Personalize. Next, we return to the original data folder we created earlier, select the FBS4 data file, confirm activation, and follow the software instructions. Now it's time to transfer the original VIN. We click on Write VIN, copy the VIN directly from the info file, paste it in, and confirm. The donor module now has the correct VIN. Next comes the EHS number. We repeat the exact same process. Copy the original EHS number, click Write EHS, and complete the step. Now we move to reflashing the application software, because the donor module's software version is still different from the original. We click Flash, Confirm, and select the correct original software version. Once completed, we can clearly see that the application part number now matches the original module perfectly. The final step is SCN Coding. We load all available SCN options, select the correct one, and apply it. And now, everything matches. Same configuration, same application, same vehicle data. This is next-level module programming. Only with DiagCode's newest and first in the world tool, Extreme FBS4 VGS4-0 NAG2 tool.